Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. How is Meta's free AI strategy secretly destroying the profits of its closest tech rivals? What happens to the human experience when Meta replaces phone screens with AI smart glasses? How can Meta target you perfectly with ads if mobile privacy tracking is completely dead? Why is Meta intentionally selling its VR hardware at a loss to control the future internet? How is Meta using WhatsApp to quietly kill off corporate customer call centers everywhere? 2. Value propositions. Meta's value proposition centers on providing friction-free social connectivity for consumers, automated performance-driven monetization for merchants, and foundational, open-source technology rails for the global developer ecosystem. 8 cases related to value propositions. Case 1. Free Global Social Fabric offers billions of individuals a zero-cost infrastructure for real-time video, image, text, and voice communications across cross-continental boundaries. Case 2. AI-optimized performance advertising system delivers highly accurate conversion mechanics for merchants, using predictive AI to match marketing budgets directly with high-intent buyers. Case 3. Advantage Plus automated creative production eliminates complex manual graphic adjustments for advertisers by automatically generating text variations, asset reframing, and background optimization inside the auction loop. Case 4. Multi-channel creator monetization infrastructure provides content creators with diversified income vectors including digital tipping, gifts, subscription paywalls, and programmatic ad revenue sharing. Case 5. Immersive first-party spatial hardware ecosystem offers consumers low-latency, affordable virtual and mixed reality access points paired with native spatial operating environments, Meta Horizon OS. Case 6. Ray-Ban Meta Everyday Audio or AR Wearables combines classic style aesthetics with first-person content capture, context-aware AI audio translation, and hands-free communications. Case 7. Llama Open Source Foundation Models provides developers and corporations with state-of-the-art LLM weights for local deployment, drastically reducing the cost of building custom AI tools compared to closed-source APIs. Case 8. Frictionless B2C conversational commerce pipelines empowers global enterprises to offload expensive call centers into automated, highly responsive WhatsApp and Messenger chat interfaces that process real-time sales and service requests. For open-ended questions. How can Meta defend its value proposition of hyper-targeted performance marketing if major mobile operating systems completely block background telemetry gathering? What is the long-term strategic return of offering open-source AI models for free if it reduces direct cloud API resale revenue opportunities? How does the user value proposition shift when a consumer moves from screen-based video interactions to hands-free, AI-curated wearable computing experiences? In what ways can Meta ensure its unified monetization offerings for creators do not incentivize clickbait patterns that degrade general consumer user experiences? For explanations. The zero-price strategy logic. By keeping consumer software access completely free, Meta maximizes the baseline user data gravity required to build its multi-billion-dollar performance advertising model. The open-source hegemony strategy. Distributing Llama openly commoditizes the layer of underlying foundational models, shifts the industry baseline to Meta's architecture, and strips closed-source competitors of their primary software pricing leverage. Data gravity synergy. The utility of Meta's AI value proposition increases because its models can be fine-tuned against organic social platform interaction data, creating context-aware outputs that standalone models cannot replicate. The hardware-to-software conversion pivot, selling spatial hardware at accessible price points, establishes Meta's proprietary spatial operating system as a dominant ecosystem gateway, paving the way for high-margin App Store fees and in-headset ad inventory. For implementation plans. Plan 1. Multimodal in-feed AI creation integration. Embed real-time generative image and text tools directly inside the consumer post-creation panel to lower content production barriers for everyday users. Plan 2. Commercial WhatsApp API standard warehousing. Build prepackaged, vertical-specific API configurations for industries like banking and air travel to accelerate transaction integration times. Plan 3. Open Enterprise Llama Consulting Alliances. Form strategic service networks with enterprise software providers to assist corporate entities in safely deploying custom-tuned Llama infrastructure. Plan 4. Advanced wearable computer vision upgrades. Roll out continuous over-the-air multimodal updates for smart glasses, enabling real-time visual recognition, landmark translation, and text reading. For implementation processes. Process 1. Add auction value generation, merchant deposits, add budget, then Meta AI neural network evaluates user interest graphs in real time, then auction matches user with ad optimized for their behavior, then conversion registers, then merchant captures ROI. Process 2. Creator community monetization. Creator uploads exclusive reel, then system analyzes engagement velocity, then automated contextual overlays inject relevant ad formats, then revenue calculated and split credited directly to creator portal. Process 3. Wearable interaction flow. Wearer looks at foreign text, then issues voice command look and translate, then onboard cameras capture image, then local or cloud multimodal network parses text, then audio feedback delivers translation to wearer. Process 4. Enterprise Open AI integration. Enterprise pulls Llama weights, then deploys model within secure on-premise cloud servers, then integrates internal corporate documentation, then runs private internal intelligence platform with zero external data exposure. For actionable recommendations. Legal assurances for enterprise AI. Provide clear, institutional indemnification protections for large enterprise clients utilizing Llama models to eliminate corporate legal hesitation surrounding open-source software deployments. Deepen the local commerce value loop. Create direct, map-based business discovery interfaces inside WhatsApp, enabling users to browse, message, and pay local shops without leaving the app ecosystem. Protect curation feeds via algorithmic transparency. Give consumers intuitive toggle options to adjust the aggressively tuned recommendation engines, reducing user fatigue from low-quality automated video recommendations. Standardize spatial app development incentives. Reduce platform take rates for spatial applications inside the Meta Horizon store to draw premier gaming and utility studios away from mobile app ecosystems. 4 to-do items. Run performance audits measuring the conversion lift of Advantage Plus ad campaigns against traditional manual ad placement structures. Track model performance benchmarks for Llama against prominent closed-source proprietary language engines. Analyze customer satisfaction metrics for retail consumers using Ray-Ban Meta glasses for daily phone calls and navigation. Update internal privacy impact statements for multimodal AI features integrated across consumer applications. For practical techniques. Dynamic creative optimization, DCO assemble, serve, and test thousands of modular ad combinations, copy, image, call to action, in real time based on specific user response indicators. Semantic intention vectoring. Match user interest vectors directly with advertiser catalogs using semantic search models rather than relying entirely on explicit keyword matches. Spatial telemetry optimization. Process device sensor maps cleanly to ensure real-time augmented reality digital layers remain stable relative to the physical world without excessive battery drain. Open-source quantization scaling. Compress massive language models into highly optimized, localized formats capable of running efficiently on consumer laptops and edge mobile silicon. For practical steps. 1. Map out core customer pain points across all active Meta developer, consumer, and merchant tracks. 2. Pair every identified friction vector with an automated software feature or hardware update. 3. Push experimental feature variations to beta testing cohorts to calculate absolute user engagement lift. 4. Scale confirmed, high-performing feature integrations globally across the entire platform ecosystem. Want to decode the brilliant, high-stakes value strategies of the world's biggest tech giants? If this breakdown of Meta's ecosystem gave you a fresh perspective on the digital economy, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss our next competitive analysis. Click the links in the description below to download your free study materials/handouts. Get exclusive access to our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials, and share this video with friends who might need it to master modern business frameworks. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.